Hey Jazzy, I'm going to teach you how to make equivalent fractions, how to solve for equivalent fractions. This fraction here, can you tell me what it is? Come here and tell me what it is.
3 nines.
Okay, so 3 ninths equals how many thirds?
9 thirds.
No, definitely not. So what you have to do is find out from the 9 to the 3, what did I multiply or divide by? Do you remember doing this with me?
3 times 3.
Equals what?
9.
So 9 divided by what equals 3?
3.
So that means I have to take the top divided by 3 as well equals
9. No. 0.
3 divided by 3 equals... How many groups of 3 could fit in 3?
1.
1. So your answer, therefore, is?
1/3.
Okay, question number 2. Can I figure out how to turn the page? Yes. Okay, Jazzy. New page, new color.
This feels weird.
5/15 equals how many thirds?
5 thirds.
Nope. So we are going to take this number 15 right here, this number 15, to get it to 3. What do we have to divide it by?
You can't.
15 divided by what equals 3?
5.
There you go. So that means we divide 5 by what number?
5 divided by 5 equals 1.
There you go, my dear. So our answer is 1/3. 15/5 equals 1/3. Let's do another example. Zach, do you want to think of an example?
Sure.
Why don't you teach her an example?
Okay, so go ahead.
Has to be a number that's easily divided, does not come out with strange decimals and such.
Yep. I know how to add and subtract decimals. Okay, so here, let's start out with the fraction 9/18. You're right, weird. Hi, that doesn't look like a 9. It looks like a C and a 1. Stop. So how many sixths? You need. Okay, so what is 8? Put an equal sign. Okay, so 18 divided by what equals 6? 2. No, not quite. 18 divided 6. No. Almost. That's 9. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. 8. What is 18 divided by 3 equals 6? Okay, so. Okay, so 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So 3/6, also known as 1/2. Yep. Why did you write a Z? You wrote a Z.
Just because you write stuff weird doesn't mean I have to.
No, Zach, you just turned the page. Stop. You just turned the page. Just turn the page. Okay, what do you want us to do now? Oh, I want to pick one. I want to pick one. Can I do one? I want to do it.
Hey, you know that you're being recorded right now, right?
What? Okay. I'm gonna do 50 100 is equivalent to
If you let your brother see, you can help that.
1. Oh, actually, no. Turn this
Usually
into,
you'll start with the denominator.
5/10.
Okay, now look at what she did. Okay. Now we'll figure out where we made the mistake, or if we made a mistake. Maybe we didn't. Did we make a mistake?
No. Or 1/2.
One thing though, when you're making an example.
You are exactly right. And you can do it whichever way.
Wait, can I mark up the answer?
Okay.
Like you guys did?
Alright, Jazz, when you're finished with that, you're going to hit stop on the recording. And then after you hit stop on the recording, you can email it to yourself, or you can put it on YouTube.